Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a handmade gift you gave to a friend or relative. You should say what the gift was, whom you gave it to, when you gave it, and how you made it by hand. Before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. First word is gifted hand. Gifted hand means having talent. Next word is knot. Knot means tie. In Punjabi, it means gund. Next word is DIY. DIY stands for do it yourself. Next word is jump ring. Jump ring means a wire ring made by bringing the two ends together. I have also uploaded the picture of jump rings. Have a look at it. So without wasting time, let's begin. I do not have a gifted hand in art and crafts, so I do not usually make gifts or cards myself. I prefer to buy them for my friends and family on special occasions. However, few months ago I was watching some DIY videos. I came across one video that taught how to make tassel earrings at home with reasonably priced material. I found it very interesting, which is unusual for me. I noted the raw material that I would need to make earrings and bought everything the next day. I had to buy jump rings, earring hooks, some cardboard, and silk threads. I started making earrings as soon as I got home. It is a very simple process. I had to make 300 rounds with the silk around the piece of cardboard. Then I tied a knot and cut it from the middle so it flows. Then I tied it to jump ring and attached a hook that hangs the earring into the ear. I repeated the same step for second earring. I made other pairs in many colors. After a few days, it was my friend's birthday. So I thought handmade tassel earrings will be perfect for her as she loves to dress up and wears matching jewelry. I gifted her 5 pairs of tassel earrings. She was surprised and excited to see them. That was the first time when I gifted something I made myself. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.